So I wouldn't say I'm a coffee snob, but I am very big on good quality coffee, and I'll explain exactly what I mean by that. So firstly, I only drink caffeinated coffee a maximum of 2 to 3 times per week. Now, if coffee is your joy and that's your daily joy and that's your thing, get a good quality coffee and enjoy it, do your thing. I personally have an underlying autoimmune condition I like to keep in remission, I like to keep it away. So I choose to just keep my adrenals really, really balanced as much as I possibly can. Coffee really does affect the circadian rhythm, which then does impact adrenals and a whole bunch of other stuff, including inflammatory responses. So for me, 2 to 3 times per week. The other important thing is that it should be mold free. So people think that it should just be organic and they're looking for a good quality organic coffee. It's not just about the quality of the beans. It should be mold free. So I've recently found Mindful coffee that I've been drinking, really enjoying it. Certified mold free, because if you do have any sort of predisposition to autoimmunity, if you're suffering with something like Lyme especially, it will really affect you. So good quality, organic, mold free. This is my Saturday morning treat. There's literally nothing better than the smell of fresh coffee, and I will probably add some MCT oil to this to really help it boost my metabolism and just get everything going, give me those antioxidants. Cheers.